Let nature solve it. In this strategy, we use nature to help us solve some of the problems that we may have. The best way to demonstrate this is to show you a few examples. The first one is fairly simple. Man needed to fly, so we turned to the bird to base our design of the airplane on. This is possibly the most common. Next, we have a hammerhead shark. Its hammerhead inspired the front spoiler of a Formula 1 car. Its tail, the way it uses its tail to steer, inspired the rudder of a boat. And its speed and its skin inspired shark skin swimwear. The swimwear allows a swimmer to swim faster due to its texture. Next we have the yellow-bellied snake. This is a water snake that's able to swim on the surface of water. Its movement inspired the design of these renewable tidal energy generators. You can see the similarities of how they are placed on top of the water. This is a very good example. Next we have, fairly simple, cat's claws, the way they are able to grip onto things. Likewise, we put spikes on our boots for grip. Next we have the polar bear and Eskimo boots. Perhaps the wide area of a polar bear's paws inspired the Eskimos to have a wider boot to distribute weight on snow, on ice. Also, fur, like polar bear's fur, was added for warmth. And lastly, we have the pond skater. It distributes its weight over a large area and has little contact with the surface of the water. This may have inspired this modern snowmobile here, with its wide frame and very little of it is in contact with the surface. Maybe you can turn to nature to help you solve your brief.